Good morning, friends. We are again with our reader book, that is New Oxford Modern English. Okay, so open to page number 1616. Fine. Okay, and now we will start with the reading. Vowel sounds. U. See this? U. Okay. Read and match. Read and match the words to the correct pictures. Okay. Now see this. S U N sun. S U N sun. Can you see? Okay. Now we will match with sun. Okay. Now our next spelling is D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Now can you see the drum? Yes, it is here. So we will match drum with the picture. Okay, match drum word with the picture, with its picture. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. अब आपको यहाँ पे हट कहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes, H-U-T, hut. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now we will match the duck with the duck picture. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. So match the umbrella word with the picture. Now the last word here is J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. And we can see that our jug is here. We have to match it. Now the new words, let us see. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. आपने देखा होगा आपके शर्ट में राइट बटन होते हैं. तो B-U-T-T-O-N, button. B-R-U-S-H, brush. We brush our teeth twice a day, right? J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Jump मतलब छलांग लगाना. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Okay, so रीडिंग करते रहिए और प्रैक्टिस हमेशा करते रहिए रीडिंग की. फाइन. So bye, have a good day, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.